To fix an induction cooker that's not working, start by confirming that it's plugged in correctly and the power outlet is functioning. Test the outlet using a small kitchen electronic device to determine if the issue lies with the outlet. Next, verify that the settings and controls are set correctly, ensuring the cookpot is on and the lock feature is not activated. If the problem persists, try resetting the cooktop by unplugging it for about 3 minutes before plugging it back in. Clean the surface of the cooktop to remove any obstructions from the sensors and check for any error codes. If an error code is displayed, consult the manual for the required actions or visit a support website to learn about standard error codes and appropriate measures. If none of these steps resolve the issue, consider seeking input from the support team for the brand of your induction cooktop. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix your induction cooker and have it working again.